if my mom's not watching it in bed. Because money, I can earn money. I don't want that.
If he's rich, then he'll be good in bed.
So all rich men are good in bed, you're saying?
Yeah, maybe. No.
I've not yet experienced anything, so I don't have any answer right now.
Someone who's super rich.
What do you want to do with the money eventually if you're not satisfied?
I think I'll prefer a husband who can talk. I think conversation is sexy, right? If he's rich and he can't talk, then it makes no sense.
Then what if he just talks with you on bed and does nothing else?
I can teach him, right, to be good in bed. Nothing.
I think you can still be happy without money if you have what you need.
You know, money can't get you everything, but what you get, the pleasure in bed, that can't compare even the money. So obviously,
Money is something I'll deal with on my own. So I'm rich enough. But yeah, so the second option would be preferable.
Pleasure, fun. So you have other things to entertain yourself with as well if you have more money. But then being good in bed does not necessarily mean anything else. Maybe he's not successful and he's good in bed. So
somebody is good in bed, I guess. I think nowadays girls, even they earn, so it's not really money or the person who's like very rich, which will actually give you happiness.
I already have a husband who's very understanding. So I think the basic thing you require is the understanding with the husband. Being good in bed is something that comes later. You should be good in person. So I think all that matters is the behavior of the husband and not whether he's rich or he's good in bed.